Across the vast plains of Africa, a majestic creature casts its long shadow, the giraffe. This iconic animal, with its elongated neck and distinctive coat patterns, is a symbol of the African wilderness. The giraffe's presence is both commanding and serene, a true marvel of nature. As the tallest mammal on Earth, the giraffe commands attention with its towering height and striking appearance. Standing up to 18 feet tall, these gentle giants can easily reach the highest branches of trees, where they feed on leaves that other herbivores can only dream of. Their long necks, which can be over 6 feet in length, are supported by a unique skeletal structure that allows them to graze on the treetops with ease. But there's much more to these gentle giants than meets the eye. Their large, expressive eyes provide them with excellent vision, allowing them to spot predators from a distance. Their long, prehensile tongues, which can extend up to 20 inches, are perfectly adapted for grasping and stripping leaves from branches. These adaptations are just a few examples of the giraffe's remarkable evolutionary journey. From their unique physiology to their fascinating social interactions, giraffes offer a glimpse into the wonders of the natural world. Their legs, which are about 6 feet long, enable them to run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour over short distances. In the wild, giraffes often form loose herds where they engage in complex social behaviors and communicate through a range of vocalizations and body language. Join me as we embark on a journey to unravel the secrets of these remarkable creatures. We'll explore their physical characteristics, their habitat, and their diet. We'll learn how giraffes have adapted to survive in the harsh environments of the African savanna, from the arid deserts to the lush woodlands. We'll explore their physical characteristics, their habitat, and their diet. The giraffe's coat, adorned with unique patterns of spots and patches, provides them with camouflage in the dappled light of their environment. Each giraffe's pattern is as unique as a human fingerprint, making them easily identifiable to researchers and conservationists. We'll delve into their social behavior, their reproductive strategies, and the strong bonds they form within their groups. Giraffes are known for their gentle and nurturing nature, especially when it comes to their young. Calves are born after a gestation period of about 15 months and are able to stand and walk within hours of birth, a crucial adaptation for survival in the wild, and the challenges they face in a rapidly changing world. Habitat loss, climate change, and human-wildlife conflict are just a few of the threats that giraffes must navigate. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent animals and ensure their survival for future generations. Get ready to be captivated by the majesty of the giraffe, a testament to the beauty and diversity of life on our planet. Through understanding and appreciation, we can all play a part in preserving the natural world and the incredible creatures that inhabit it. So, let's begin our journey into the world of the giraffe, where every step reveals a new wonder. Giraffes are giants, plain and simple. These magnificent creatures are the tallest land animals on Earth, and their presence in the African savanna is nothing short of awe-inspiring. Their most striking feature is their extraordinary height, which can reach up to 19 feet. This towering stature allows them to survey the landscape, keeping an eye out for predators and other dangers. That's taller than a double-decker bus. Imagine standing next to one and looking up. It's like gazing at a living skyscraper. This remarkable stature is due in large part to their elongated necks and legs. Their necks, which can be over 6 feet long, are composed of just 7 vertebrae, the same number as in a human neck, but each vertebrae is much larger. A giraffe's neck alone can measure over 6 feet long, making it an impressive tool for reaching the highest branches of trees, while its legs can be as long as a human being, providing the necessary support for their massive bodies and allowing them to run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour when necessary. But a giraffe's height isn't just for show. It's a crucial adaptation that allows them to reach high into the trees for food, accessing leaves and branches that are out of reach for most other herbivores. This gives them access to a bountiful source of sustenance that few other animals can reach. Their long, prehensile tongues, which can be up to 18 inches long, help them strip leaves from branches with ease. In groups, giraffes can often be seen feeding together, their heads bobbing high above the ground as they munch on leaves. This social behavior not only helps them find food, but also provides safety in numbers. Their long legs also give them a powerful stride, enabling them to cover vast distances in search of food and water. They can travel several miles in a day, moving gracefully across the savanna. This ability to roam far and wide is essential for their survival, especially during dry seasons when food and water sources become scarce. However, their height also comes with challenges. Drinking water, for example, can be an awkward affair. To reach the ground, giraffes must spread their legs wide apart or even kneel down, making them vulnerable to predators. This vulnerable position is a rare sight, as giraffes are always on the lookout for danger. They rely on their keen eyesight and the vigilance of the herd to stay safe while drinking. Despite these challenges, giraffes have thrived in their environment for millions of years. Their unique adaptations make them one of the most fascinating and iconic animals in the world, a true testament to the wonders of evolution. Giraffes are as beautiful as they are tall. Their coats are adorned with a mesmerizing patchwork of spots and blotches, each pattern as unique as a human fingerprint. No two giraffes have the exact same spot pattern, making it easy to tell them apart. These spots aren't just for decoration, they serve a vital purpose. The irregular shapes and patterns help to camouflage giraffes in the dappled light of the savanna, making it harder for predators to spot them. The spots also act as a form of thermal regulation, with the darker patches absorbing more heat than the lighter areas, helping to keep the giraffe at a comfortable temperature. Giraffes are native to the African continent, where they roam the savannas, grasslands and woodlands. They are social animals, often found in loose herds of up to 30 individuals, though these herds are constantly changing in composition. Within these herds there is a clear social hierarchy, with dominant males leading the group. These dominant males are easily recognizable by their darker spot patterns and their tendency to hold their heads high, a sign of their status. Giraffes are constantly on the move, migrating across vast distances in search of food and water. Their long legs give them an advantage, allowing them to cover large areas with relative ease. Section 5. A vegetarian giant's diet. Despite their imposing size, giraffes are gentle herbivores. These towering creatures, often reaching heights of up to 18 feet, are a fascinating example of nature's ingenuity. Their diet is a testament to their adaptability and specialized feeding habits. Their diet consists mainly of leaves, buds and fruits, which they find in abundance in their natural habitats. Giraffes are particularly fond of the tender leaves and shoots that grow at the tops of trees where few other animals can reach. Among the various trees, acacia trees are a particular favorite. The acacia's small, delicate leaves are packed with nutrients, making them an ideal food source for these gentle giants. Their long necks, which can be up to 6 feet in length, allow them to reach high into the canopy. This unique adaptation not only helps them access food that is out of reach for other herbivores, but also reduces competition for resources. Once they have reached the high branches, giraffes use their long, prehensile tongues to strip leaves from the branches. Their tongues are incredibly dexterous and can maneuver around thorns and other obstacles with ease. A giraffe's tongue is an impressive tool. It can measure up to 20 inches long, allowing them to reach deep into the foliage. This remarkable tongue is not only long but also incredibly strong and flexible. It is covered in tough, bristly papillae that help to grip and pull leaves. These papillae are essential for their feeding process, as they provide the necessary grip to pull leaves from branches, even those that are thorny or tough. Giraffes are also capable of eating thorny plants that most other animals avoid. Their ability to consume such challenging vegetation is a testament to their evolutionary adaptations. This is made possible thanks to the thick lining of their mouths, which protects them from the sharp thorns and rough textures of their food. Additionally, their copious saliva plays a crucial role. This saliva not only helps to lubricate their food, making it easier to swallow, but also protects their digestive system from potential damage caused by the thorns and rough plant material. While leaves and buds make up the bulk of their diet, giraffes also need to drink water. However, due to their height, drinking can be a bit of a challenge. They must spread their legs and bend down awkwardly to reach the water, making them vulnerable to predators. Despite these challenges, giraffes thrive in their natural habitats, showcasing the incredible adaptations that have allowed them to become one of the most iconic and fascinating animals in the animal kingdom. Section 6. The rhythm of giraffe life. Giraffe life is governed by the rhythms of the savanna. They are most active during the cooler hours of the day, spending the hottest part of the day resting in the shade. Despite their size, giraffes are surprisingly agile and can run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour when threatened. Giraffes have a unique way of sleeping. Due to their long legs and necks, they are unable to lie down comfortably for extended periods. Instead, they sleep standing up, taking short naps that last only a few minutes at a time. Section 7. A gentle giant's defenses. While giraffes are generally peaceful creatures, they are not without their defenses. Their size alone is often enough to deter predators, but if threatened, they can deliver a powerful kick with their long legs. A single kick from a giraffe can be fatal to a lion or other large predator. Giraffes also have excellent eyesight and hearing, allowing them to detect predators from afar. And if all else fails, they can run at surprising speeds, their long legs carrying them to safety. Section 8. Giraffes in peril. Despite their size and defenses, giraffes are facing a growing number of threats. Habitat loss due to human encroachment, poaching for their meat and hides, and disease are all taking a toll on giraffe populations. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, or IUCN, lists giraffes as a vulnerable species, with some subspecies facing an even greater risk of extinction. It's a sobering reminder that even the most magnificent creatures are not immune to the challenges facing our planet. Section 9. A call to protect. The future of giraffes, like so many other species, depends on our actions. By supporting conservation efforts, raising awareness about the threats they face, and making conscious choices to reduce our impact on the environment, we can help to ensure that these gentle giants continue to roam the African savanna for generations to come. Let us be inspired by the giraffe's grace, resilience, and unique place in the web of life. Let us work together to protect these magnificent creatures and the planet we share.